If your sink basin is cracked around the drain opening, you gotta act fast before it turns into a bigger mess. So first, don't ignore that crack because water can leak and mess up your cabinets or floor underneath. Next, try to catch any drips with a bucket or towels while you figure things out. When you replace the sink, measure the old one carefully to get the right size and style so it fits perfectly. You'll want to turn off the water supply before you start messing with pipes and connections. Remove the old sink by loosening the clips or screws holding it down and disconnecting the plumbing. When you're installing the new sink, use a good sealant or plumber's putty around the drain opening to keep water from sneaking out. Make sure to tighten everything but don't over-tighten, or you might crack the new sink too. Finally, test for leaks by running water and checking under the sink before you call it done. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked sink basins around the drain opening is trying to patch it up with glue or caulk, which usually doesn't last and ends up causing bigger leaks. Another common issue is not turning off the water supply before starting, which can lead to flooding and a huge headache. Lastly, people often buy the wrong size sink or forget to check if their plumbing matches the new sink setup, so everything ends up not fitting right. The fix? Always replace cracked sinks instead of patching, shut off water before any work, and double-check measurements and plumbing compatibility beforehand. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way simpler for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them directly with people ready to fix up their homes without all the usual hassle.